Well, here we have our loaf that I bought from Whole Foods, a sourdough loaf, 578 grams, $5. Uh, you can see how it's been cut artistically. They cut down here, then they cut on the sides, and then basically it goes into an oven, and the oven spring creates this pattern as if the bread is expanding. You can see these blisters. That's considered something you really want. Some people, this loaf seems to be right to me. Some that you can see it's dark here, more caramelized, but there's a different word for it than that. But I see some people that actually have, it looks like they burnt the bread. This looks better to me. So let's cut it open and see what the crumb looks like. Okay, let's look at the crumb here. There you go. And this is in between, I'd say. Sometimes the breads I've seen on YouTube are so many holes that you couldn't make a sandwich out of it. This you still could. You know, it's got some big bubbles, but there's still enough crumb here to make a sandwich out of. So now we're doing the taste test. I wanted to mention the blisters are a combination between the, I believe, the moisture that's in the oven. The idea here with home users is they take something similar to a Dutch oven, and that's heated up to like 500 degrees. Then this loaf that you've scored goes goes directly into the Dutch oven, covered over, and cooks. And you may even, some people before it's done at a certain time, you take the cover off, so it will, or take the bread out even sometimes, depending on whose directions you're following, so it will darken even more. But let's see what it tastes like. Typically breads like this too, sourdough breads, have no preservatives, but people claim, I've heard the claim made at least, that the sourdough, because it's wild yeast instead of commercial yeast, somehow allows the bread to last longer. But so you could see the crust is really tough and crunchy, chewy. I guess it's more chewy than crunchy, I should say. But yeah, it tastes good. And actually, a regular loaf of bread for £1, you can spend $4.99 at the store. Anyway, so I guess this isn't too bad a deal. Let me check the bag and see if I got the price correct. Oh, no, it was the sourdough bread was $5.50 for, you saw the weight at the beginning. For a pound is 454, so there's like 100 more grams there. So very interesting, but I'll try to do this. But like I say, I'm going to try to duplicate it with yeast bread.